guys, hope you all are doing good. I started writing my do list at the beginning of the day. It will help me keep my day productive. Going through my do list repeatedly help me manage my tasks easily and stay on track. For my breakfast, I'm going to make a parota. I purchased this ready-made parota from an Indian shop nearby. I'm heating up the pan and adding the parota to it in order to cook the both sides slightly. After that, I'll add some butter on it. This would make the parota really good. After my breakfast, I went to purchase some groceries for next week in order to prep meals tomorrow. I usually prep meals on Sundays, but today I don't have much work to do, so I thought of going to buy groceries today. In the evening, I decided to prepare a small movie night for myself. I made chickpeas for my movie night, and I have added the recipe for my simple chickpea in the description below. I've been looking forward to this movie night all week because we spend a lot of time at the work but rarely have time for ourselves. I wanted to take this evening to focus on my own happiness because I believe that I should be happy before anything else.